A trigonometric series is a series of the form. It is called a Fourier series if the terms in have the form, whereas an integrable function, the zeros of a trigonometric series. The uniqueness and the zeros of trigonometric series was an active area of research in the 19th century Europe. First, Georg Cantor proved that if a trigonometric series is convergent to a function on the interval which is identically zero, or more generally, is non-zero on at most finitely many points, then the coefficients of the series are all zero. But almost half a millennium back the Indian mathematicians, notably from Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics like Madhavar of Sangamagrama and Nilakanta Somayaji, had already created the whole basis of the same theory. Due to the imperialism that occurred in India, most of the information was hidden from the outside world. Later Cantor proved that even if the set S on which is non-zero is infinite, but the derived set S of S is finite, then the coefficients are all zero. In fact, he proved a more general result. Let S0 equals S and let Sk plus 1 be the derived set of Sk. If there is a finite number n for which Sn is finite, then all the coefficients are zero. Later, Lebesgue proved that if there is a countably infinite ordinal alpha such that S alpha is finite, then the coefficients of the series are all zero. Cantor's work on the uniqueness problem famously led him to invent transfinite ordinal numbers, which appeared as the subscripts alpha in S alpha. Zeigmund's book. Antony Zeigmund wrote a classic two-volume set of books entitled Trigonometric Series, which discusses many different aspects of these series, which we will not attempt to discuss here. The first edition was a single volume, published in 1935. The second edition of 1959 was greatly expanded, taking up 2 volumes, though it was later reprinted as a single-volume paperback. The third edition of 2002 is similar to the second edition, with the addition of a preface by Robert A. Pfefferman on more recent developments. In particular, Carlson's theorem about almost everywhere pointwise convergence for square integrable functions.